like telling you how to dial.
It is like a hidden instruction manual.
But why go through all that trouble in the first place?
It's all about branding and memorability, believe it or not. The repetition drives home that word forensic.
Yeah.
It's most importantly about SEO, search engine optimization, and topping the SERP, search engine results page.
That's a great point. It's all about visibility.
Exactly, and that's a key piece of the puzzle.
So this isn't just about a memorable phone number.
No, it's a strategic move to boost online presence.
Okay, let's unpack this a bit more then.
Well, this job forensic number is connected to a video system.
Exactly, a video surveillance file management system.
And it embeds the video file names in a log folder.
So it's like a digital evidence locker.
Precisely for easy organization.
That makes sense, keeps everything nice and neat.
Speaking of neat, they mentioned using tools like Webcam Max.
Ah, so they've built a whole tech stack.
Exactly, combining different software tools.
It's impressive how they've blended all this technology.
You're right, it offered... Oh, yeah,
This is Webcam Max. It's a software to run on a
Right,
webcam.
Max is one of the tools they use.
It seems like they really used it to its full potential.
They've built a whole classroom monitoring system.
How are they using this in the classroom?
Well, they've actually set it up so they can host 10 people.
Wait, inside the CPU of the camera?
That's right, like a virtual reality experience.
Wow, that's some next level teacher.
Exactly, these people can participate remotely.
It's like they are fully present.
And they even stream the... Hey, yeah, what's up?
Yes, the surveillance web camera can host students in the camera themselves. There is a
It's
web
very
server.
interesting piece of the puzzle.
It sounds like you know a thing or two about it.
Okay, so what is Webcam Max exactly?
It is software that lets you add effects to your webcam.
I see. So how does that work with all of this?
Well, they've set it up so students don't have to log in.
Instead, they use keywords like monitor wellness.
Yes, to find the live stream easily.
That's smart, using relevant keywords for SEO.
We are so glad that you brought up SEO.
It's a big piece of this job forensic puzzle.
Absolutely, and now getting back to that job forensic number.
Okay, let's go back to that. Oh, yeah.
This is the key for students to top the search engine results page by typing the vanity phone number on YouTube, and we appear at the top live.
You've nailed it.
It's like they've cracked the code.
Students are leveraging the vanity number.
They're using it to boost visibility.
Exactly, and that's where the magic happens.
It's like they've created a digital command center.
That's a great way to describe.
Oh, go for it.
Yes, we reverse engineer and game the search engine results page. We know how to be number one on all the search engines.
What's fascinating is how they're not just playing, they're mastering the game.
It's about understanding the algorithms, right?
Exactly, like reverse engineering a complex machine.
It's like they've unlocked the secrets to SEO success.
And that brings us back to their teaching methods.
So tell me more about this method.
Well, now that we've gone into... Oh yeah, let's hear it.
This method is based on videos. People prefer to watch videos on YouTube, and so if you inundate the website with videos, you can top the SERP, search engine results page.
You've hit on a core strategy.
Okay, let's unpack this.
Videos draw a huge audience, right?
Absolutely, people love watching them.
And flooding the web with videos.
Can seriously boost your ranking.
So it's a good SEO practice too.
Absolutely, it speaks volumes, right?
Well, you have to use tech in your toolkit.
That's a forward-thinking approach.
You're right, it's a game changer for reach.
Also, you have to have good instruction.
Absolutely, surveillance is always a must.
Exactly. It's so cool to see this come together.
It is a constant race though, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm seeing ads everywhere these days.
That's right, it's a constant arms race online.
So it's not enough to just be a good detective.
You have to use project management tools.
Now, before we wrap up this segment, let's note,
The number is more than a gimmick, right?
they really are at the forefront of technology.
I can't wait to see the future for them.
It is a puzzle with SEO strategy to dial it.
I completely agree with you on this topic.
Also, tracking inquiries will get you more clients.
It really speaks to a forward approach to tech.
You're right, it's a game changer online.
It's a unique way for instructors to teach tech.
It's so cool to see a class come together.
That makes their work so very inspiring.
It's been fascinating to explore their approach.
It's like a puzzle to solve, to dial the number.
Also, the number's more than a gimmick.
Well said, and so very, very inspiring.
It's fascinating exploring this approach.
Hopefully this discussion gave new insights.
Well, that's it for our deep dive today.
Thanks for joining in for the conversation.
We'll see you next time for a deep dive.
Goodbye for now. It's a fun
I'm
day.
gonna go lay down, okay? Right.
Okay. So this is it for now. Now what we are going to do now is wrap everything up, starting from Loom. And I don't know why Loom doesn't show up here, but it disappeared on me somehow.
You want me to help you?
And I will have to rerun it and see why don't I get the
Maybe behind.
Loom.
Maybe behind.
Obviously I have this, but I don't have the Loom counter anywhere, so oh, here it is. Okay, so now
It's hidden.
yeah, we can
Right,
stop the
thank you.
Loom and grab the URL of Loom, copy to the clipboard buffer. First of all, go back to my notes and paste it in my notes, and then file save. Then I want to edit my notes, select all, edit copy to the clipboard buffer, and then I want to paste it into my Loom as a comment if I can. Doesn't let me paste it in as a comment and as a summary. Let me see if I can add anything to the summary already there. Control V, and then scroll down to the very end and add chapters and save the chapters, and then add tags, site, remote, inspection, plain, in, intelligence, Gen A, lanyard, Google, videos. This is 10 out of 10. So now I go to the very top. I do want to play it back, but I'm not sure that that will be possible. But if it does, then I'll try to play it back, and if it doesn't, we'll just minimize it and not worry about it for now. In the meantime, we can minimize it and proceed with the next video to make sure that it works. So I'm going to, for now, stop the playback on UCam, and then double click it to see if it can play back.
They talk about incorporating it into their classroom.
This is fine, that is working perfectly well. Next comes Webcam Max. We'll stop it and then play it back.
That makes sense? Keeps everything nice.
And this is working perfectly well. And finally, last but not least, stop MSN Recorder Max, and you can see that we have an error here. System error code 5, access is denied. So this is exactly the type of problems that we need to include in Psar. System error code 5, access is denied. Let's write it down. System error code 5, access is denied. Access is denied. We will mark it copy to the clipboard buffer, edit copy, click OK. Then we will edit as a comment to Psar, problem step recorder, and edit as a comment to Psar. And we'll paste it into Psar, and then we'll try to stop and refresh Psar. save. Take the previous file name and insert the message. Paste space, access is denied. We're going to add the time. Starting time was 4:52 and the current time is 5:06. And that'd be version A of Psar, so I'm going to stick the letter A in there. Now I'm going to copy the path to psar.txt and insert it at the beginning of the file name. Paste and backslash. Copy and save. Then review the additional details. 131 steps here. I'll start a new recording and add a comment with the previous file name. Paste and enter. And now I want to put the file name in my notes here. Edit, paste, file, save as. I want to save it on the log subfolder, so I'm going to go down to the log subfolder, scroll down to the letter L, LMNOP. Here is L, and I want to look at log LO. So LO, here is log, and now we can add the log subfolder to the mix, copy, insert it at the beginning, paste the new file name, oops,